Suppose we want to find the derivative of d by dx sine inverse x, okay, is equal to what? Now you see, write down, let y is equal to sine inverse x, okay. Actually, we are going to find dy by dx. We are going to find, because you see, d by dx, it is y, right? What is y? Y is equal to, we have let y is equal to sine inverse x. You please try to understand. We are going to find dy by dx. Dy by dx means what? d dx of y, where y is equal to sine inverse x. For this, we have let y equals to sine inverse x. After that, what should be written? Let me know. Is equal to what? Sine y is equal to x. Talk to me. What I told you one day, this will be interchanged. Can you remember, please? Okay, very good. So can you write like this? X is equal to sine y. Now you understand? Now perhaps you understand, right? Now, with respect to y, we have to differentiate. With respect to y, that is dx by dy. What is sine y? E. Cosine of y?
আচ্ছা স্যার,
Yes.
উইথ রেসপেক্ট টু ওয়াই এ ডিরাইভ করার মানেটা কি?
With respect to y, because we are going to differentiate y. Here the pattern is, here for this part, the pattern is d by dy in bracket, this is x. You're right. Okay. Is it okay? Now you see, up to last day, we always found d by dx y. We found this up to last day. That means we found there dy by dx. Now here, actually x, I have just multiplied here, for here d into y dy, for here d into x dx. This means dy means, please remember one thing, all of you. From this line we can write here dx cosine y dy. You'll get it afterwards. You'll come to know. Okay. For x it is dx. As it is y dy. I mean, after differentiating y, after differentiating with respect to y, we have got cos y. Okay. And which has been differentiated? Okay, actually we have found x. Dx means what? Dx means what? You know, it is a slope like this. Yes, in this way. But we have found here inverse. Okay. Here it is dy by dx like this. You did a lot of math on this class in class 9, 10. Dy by dx, that is, you found the slope. Can you remember what is slope? Can you remember, please? That is dy by dx. That is tan theta. Okay, perpendicular by base. Now you see from here what can be written. Cos y equals to what? Can you please let me know? What is cos y? Root over 1 minus sine square y. Talk to me, please, all of you.
Yes, sir.
That means we have got dx by dy. Okay. Now here we get or dx by dy is equal to root over 1 minus. What is sine y? What is the value of sine y? You see, the value of sine y is x. The value of sine y is x. So we can write here 1 minus x square. But we are here to find dy by dx. We are here to find dy by dx, not dx by dy. So it can be written inverse, that is 1 by dx by dy. Can you write? Please talk to me. Is it not or not? So let me know you have got it or not.
জি স্যার বুঝেছি।
বলছি স্যার।
Okay. So d by dx, what is the value of y? I told you y is equal to sine inverse x. Sine inverse x is equal to, put the value. What is the value of dx by dy? Dx by dy is root over 1 minus x square. Math is done. This is the formula in my sheet. Perhaps you have seen it. D by dx sine inverse x equals to, you have to memorize it always, please. You will never forget it in your life. You will get it everywhere. In physics, in chemistry, in maths, everywhere you will get it. Everywhere. So please, you are required to memorize. Now, you have to find d by dx cosine inverse x. Write down in the same way, let y equal to cosine inverse x, which implies that x equal to cosine y, which implies that dx by dy, let me know what is the value. Okay, minus sine y. Is it okay? What is sine y means what? Root over 1 minus cos square y. Talk to me.
Yes, sir.
Is equal to minus, what is cosine y? What is the value of cosine y?
X
Right? So we can write here minus root over 1 minus x square. Right? So we are getting here. Therefore, dy by dx is equal to, I told you, 1 by dx by dy. Right? What is the value here? 1 minus root over is it okay? That means here we would write d by dx d by dx. What is y? Y is here cosine inverse x. I think you all have got it right.
Yes, sir.
Now you have to find d by dx tan inverse x. Can you find it? Let, like the previous one, let y is equal to tan inverse x. Implies that you just exchange x equals to tan y, which implies that dx by dy. What is the formula?
It's 6 square y.
You are absolutely right. Sec square y. Now is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Now you put the value here. 1 by dx by dy. What is the value of dx by dy? 1 plus x square. Write down here 1 plus x square. Right? So we can write here tan inverse x. Tan inverse x is equal to 1 by 1 plus x square. Is it okay to all? It is
Yes,
also
sir.
another formula. Okay, copy it. Now go to the next math. D by dx cosec inverse x. Who can do it? Can you do it? Let cosec inverse x is equal to, anyway, let y equal to cosec inverse x. Implies that x equal to cosec y. Okay, that means we are getting here dx by dy. Let me know. Let me know. Minus cosec y, then is it?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Then you see here, you see the difference. We have got cosec y as by x, right? We have got it. The value of cosec y is known here, but cot y is not known. So what will you do? Minus cosec y. What is cot y? Can you please let me know in terms of cosec? What is cot y in terms of cosec?
Cosec square y.
Is it?
So minus.
Is it
No.
Minus 1.
cosec square y minus 1? Talk to me.
Yes, sir.
It is the formula of cot y equals to cosec square y minus 1, because cosec square y minus cot square y equals to 1. Okay. That means we can write here, you put the value, cosec y is what? X. This is minus x, root over, it is x square minus 1. Is it okay? So here we can write down dx by dy. That means dx by dy 1 by, what is dx by dy? Dx by dy is minus x root over x square minus 1 minus x root over x square minus 1. Therefore, d by dx cosec inverse x is equal to, we can write down minus 1 by x root over x square minus 1. Now, we are going to find d by dx sec inverse x. Let y is equal to sec inverse x. Implies that x equal to sec y. Okay. Now let me know. It is dx by dy is equal to sec y tan y. Now this is sec y, which is given as by x. Now let me know what is tan y.
So root over sec square y minus 1.
Sec square y minus 1. Now put the value. What is sec y? Is x. It is x again. Okay. I think you have got it. Is it okay to all?
Yes, sir.
So we are left with cot inverse x, right? Only. D by dx cot inverse x. Let, like the previous one, y equal to cot inverse x. That means x equal to cot y. That is dx by dy formula minus cosec square y. Right? Then we see minus, you convert it bracket. That means we are getting here minus 1 plus x square. Is it? That is, it is minus 1 plus x square. Okay. That means it is cot inverse x is equal to, this is minus 1 by 1 plus x square. Talk to me. Here also you see for co, it is negative. I mean, for cos inverse x, it was negative. For cot inverse x, it is negative. For cosec inverse x, it is also negative. But for sine, tan, and sec, there is no co. Sine, tan, and sec, there is no co. So for this, they were positive. I think you've got me right.
Yes, sir.
Now today we have to do a lot of maths on this inverse. Please, those who will fail to understand, it is due to, or it will be due to, for for not knowing the formula of inverse. Okay, see exercise 9.4, question number 1. Okay, d by dx sine inverse x. I'll not do all maths because all the maths are of same type. Write down d by dx sine inverse ax. Now let me know what is the formula of sine inverse x. Let me know. What is
1
the,
by root over
write
x.
down.
root over 1 minus x square.
Very good. What is x here? It is x. Am I right? But this is not only x, so it will be again differentiated. D by dx ax. I told you to determine which one is x. Sine inverse x. You have let it as by x. Sine inverse x. Root over 1 minus x square. It is x. So what is x? Ax is x. So it will be again differentiated. Please try to understand. Right? Now you see, ax is what? Only a. And it is root over 1 minus a square x square. Math is done. The easiest math, right? In the world. Okay, everybody have copied it. Now question number 2. D by dx tan inverse x by a. Can you do it? Let me know what is the formula. 1 by,
1 by 1 plus x square.
1 plus x square.
what is x here?
X by a.
So it is done 1 by 1 plus x square. But this is not only x, so it is to be differentiated again. D by dx x by a. Talk to me, all of you.
Yes, sir.
So what you're getting here, 1 by, it is 1 plus x square by a square. It is what? 1 by a. X is 1. That means we are getting here a square by a square plus x square into 1 by a. I mean, I have just multiplied by a square. So it is a square plus x square, right? Now it is a by a square plus, I think you all have got it, right? Can you please talk to me?
Yes, sir.
Very easy and simple calculation. Number 3, tan inverse e to the power x. D by dx tan inverse e to the power x. Do it by yourself. I think you all can do. Be quick. What is the formula? Let me know. 1 by 1 plus a 1 plus what?
X square.
X. It is x. It is x. It's a square. So what we have considered as by x? D by dx. What we have considered as by x? E to the power x. Now you see, it is e to the power x. It is e to the power x. It is 1. It is 1. Can you please let me know what will be its calculation? E to the power? Talk to me.
Yes, sir.
Then next math, question number 4. Important. Number 4. D by dx tan x sin inverse x. Tan x sin inverse x. Who can do it? It is clearly seen that it is u and it is v. Is it okay to all?
Yes, sir.
Therefore, we can write here u d by dx sin inverse x plus sin inverse x d by dx u. Talk to me, please. I
Yes, sir.
told you this two will be same. This will be same. Okay. That means what is sin inverse x? 1 by root over 1 minus x square. It is what? Sin inverse x. What is tan x? Tan x is what?
X
1
square.
by 1 plus x square.
Our math is done.
Sec square x হবে না?
Yes, you are right. So we are done. Okay. We are left with nothing. Have you copied it?
Yes, sir.
জি স্যার।
Next math. Another important math. Important. Okay. X square plus 1 tan inverse x d by dx x square plus 1 tan inverse x minus x. Can you do it? Okay, not a matter. Suppose it can be done in this way: d by dx x square plus 1 Okay, you see then It will be considered now. It is U and it is V. U and it is V. Now you can do it. I think it can be done by you. That means it is x square plus 1 d by dx tan inverse x. Then tan inverse x d by dx, it is x square plus 1. And it is always minus 1.
স্যার
Yes.
লাস্ট হোমওয়ার্কের অ্যান্সার গুলো কি বলবেন ক্লাসের শেষে?
Actually, I did or not. It's okay. I will. Now you see, it is what? X square plus 1. What is tan inverse x? 1 by
X square plus 1.
1 plus x square. Then again, it is tan inverse x. It is what? Only 2x minus 1. And we see this is 1 and this is minus 1 will be omitted. So we are left with 2x tan inverse x. Our math is done. Okay. I mean, this will be omitted and we'll be left with 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. So it is 0 and we are left with this part. Very simple calculation, but it is very important to be given in the examination. Another math is 10 ln sec inverse x. Question number 7. D by dx 10 ln sine inverse x. Can you do it? Or who can do it? Okay, not a matter. What is a to the power x? Let me know. A to the power is x. A to the power x ln a, right? A to the power x. It is a to the power x. You see, a to the power x ln a. Ln a. Dot. What is x here? Let me know what is x here. D by dx ln sine inverse x. If you fail to understand, please let me know. Let me know. Okay, that means you have got it. That is 10 ln sine inverse x dot ln 10 dot. Now, what is ln x? Ln x is 1 by x, right? Ln x is what? 1 by x. Now it is x, which will be again differentiated. I am not going to show it. Can you please talk to me?
Yes, sir.
Actually, I have skipped online. I have not written d by dx sine inverse x. I have done it at the same time. And we're done. We're left with nothing. Is it okay to all? Actually, it is written, this one will not be written, nothing else. It will be multiplied. d by dx. Okay, do it. D by dx, 100% is important math. D by dx. Okay. 10. Write down 10. Very good. What is meant by sine inverse x? Can you please let me know? What is meant by sine inverse x? Just let me know, please. What is meant by sine inverse x? At first, we have to know. What is meant by sine inverse x? You have to know at first. Suppose it is an angle theta. Okay? It is an angle theta. Is it? And very good, we let this theta equals to sine inverse x. That is x equal to what? Sine theta. Talk to me. Is it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's good. Now, what is meant by this? The theta equals to sine inverse x. Can you please let me know what is meant by this? It is that it is x and it is 1. You will come to know how it is. Thank you very much. Can you write down sine theta is equal to x by 1? Can you write down from here? Talk to me, please.
Yes, sir.
That is perpendicular by hypotenuse. Am I right? So from this, can you write down this equals to what with the help of Pythagoras theorem? Let me know. 1 minus, with the help of Pythagoras theorem, we have found that the base is root over 1 minus x square. Please talk to me. Can you find it with the help of Pythagoras theorem? Yes, you can. Right? Now, if it is possible, is it possible for us to write down tan? What is sine inverse x? If I write down tan inverse xy root over 1 minus x square, can you write down? Now you'll come to know again, sir, what you are doing again. Very good. Not a matter. Not a matter. What is tan theta from this figure? Tan theta equals to what? Let me know. From this figure, tan theta equals to what?
X by root over
1 minus x square.
Is it? Now theta equals to what from this line? Theta equals to what? Talk to me. Tan inverse x by root over 1 minus x square. Is it 12?
G, sir.
That's good. Interesting fact. This is theta. This is theta. Their left hand sides are equal. That means their right hand sides will also be equal. So for this sine inverse x, this is sine inverse x, which is theta. This is sine inverse x, which is theta, has now been written tan inverse x by this. This is these are equal because theta equal. Talk to me. Okay, everybody.
Yes, sir.
In the exam hall, you have to show this calculation. In the exam hall, you are bound to show this. It is not a rough work. It is a part of the math. But in this way, you can do it, not a matter. It is not that you have to maintain the synchronization. Anyway, not that. One day I told you that tan inverse. Can you remember, please? Tan inverse x equals to what? Perhaps I told you, right? Yes, I told you. There is also proof, but not now. It is in the trigonometry, second paper trigonometry. A lot of maths. Only one exercise on this tan inverse x equals to x. So we are getting here tan inverse. So it will be omitted. We are left with x by root over 1 minus x square. But we are not done yet. We have just calculated, but we have not used the formula yet. But we have removed trigonometric function, trigonometric ratio we have removed. So in the answer,
second line ta.
but in the answer, we really don't have any trigonometric ratio. You see, we don't have. Now you see is equal to, it is u by v. So it is v square. It is v, right? So we have to write down here v square. That's good. It is v square. Okay. Then it starts with v root over 1 minus x square v. Then it is d by dx u. D by dx u. U equals to what? Here in this math, u equals to what? X. Okay. Now it is minus. In the formula, there is minus. Write down minus x. Okay. Then it is d by dx. D by dx root over 1 minus x square. Can you please talk to me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. That is, we are getting here 1 minus x square because square root and power 2 have been omitted. Okay. So here we are getting root over 1 minus x square. D by dx of x is 1. This is minus x dot. Can you please let me know? Root over 1 minus x square equals to what? It is equal to what? 1 minus x square whole to the power half. Talk to me.
Yes, sir.
That means it is half. 1 minus x square whole to the power half minus 1. D by dx this. So I can write minus 2x. I mean, we have d by dx 1 minus x square equals to what? It is 0, it is minus 2x. You have to skip one line like this. If you fail to understand, please let me know. That is root over 1 minus x square.
আর আপনি কি এখানে একটা লাইন স্কিপ করেছেন?
হ্যাঁ, yes, you are absolutely right. Now you see, it is what? These two will be omitted. Okay. So it is minus plus. We can write here plus. Now can you please let me know what will be?
So x square by root over 1 minus
Yes, you are absolutely right. X into x square. Now you see it will be power minus half. Power minus half means what? Talk to me. All of you are required to talk to me.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That's good. Now Uh, I'm going to write down here, you see. It is 1 minus x square, right? So here we get the LCM. Root over 1 minus x square is the LCM here. Root over 1 minus x square, right? Yes, it is. This into this equals to what? 1 minus x square. And it is also plus x square. Talk to me. If I
Yes,
multiply
sir.
this into this,
স্যার
okay, thank you very much. Now, can you please let me know what will happen then? It is what? X square will be omitted. It is 1 by root over 1 minus x square into 1 by 1 minus x square, right? Because we have by 1. Okay. Now you see 1 by 1 minus x square. Can you please let me know what is this power? What is the power of 1 minus x square? Is half. Its power is half, and its power is 1. So 1 plus half equals to what? 3 by 2. I mean, x into root x equals to what? It is x, it is root x equals to what? X to the power, it is 1, it is half. 1 plus half. That means x to the power 3 by 2. So in this way, it is half, it is 1. So it is 1 plus half, that is 3 by 2. I think you have got it. And this is the answer. They have done 1 minus x square whole to the power minus 3 by 2. We can write it, or we can leave our answer here. Not a matter. But in another book, as far I have seen, its answer is this in another book. Whatever it is. Have you copied it?
Yes, sir.
yes স্যার
Thank you very much. Then go to question number 9. You see, the same math d by dx. I'll not do the math wholly and fully. Just I'm going to show how to do. Say tan inverse x. Okay. What will you do? What is your first duty? For this type of math, draw this. This is, it is angle, just this. What is tan inverse x? I am not going to show you that I did for the last math. What is tan inverse x? Tan means what? Perpendicular by base, right? It is theta. Theta is equal to what? Tan inverse x. That is tan theta equals to x. So we can write x by 1, right? So here in this math, it is perpendicular by base. This is perpendicular and this is base. Can you please let me know what will be its hypotenuse?
So root over 1 plus x square.
You are absolutely right. Root over 1 plus x square by Pythagoras theorem, right? So if I go for writing like this, you see d by dx, okay? Now it is what? Say, we want to put it into formula. So we must write here sec inverse. Because this will be omitted, right? So sec inverse what? Hypotenuse by base. Hypotenuse by base. Reciprocal
Yes,
of cosine. Hypotenuse is what? Root over 1 plus x square. Root over 1 plus x square by base. Base means 1. No need to write down. Talk to me.
Sir, বুঝলাম না।
Okay, where? Just let me know.
The second line, sir.
Okay, it is sec, it is sec. Our target is to write down here sec inverse so that it will be repulsed, it will be omitted, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, what is sec theta? Sec theta equals to what? Hypotenuse by, see the figure, what is hypotenuse and what is base?
Yes, sir. বুঝছি।
Okay, very good. Perhaps you have failed to understand. What is sec theta from here? Sec theta equals to what? Let me know.
Sir, sec theta equal to root over 1 plus x square divided by 1.
Is this?
Yes, sir.
So, what is theta from here? Sec inverse root over 1 plus x square, right?
Yes, sir.
As I told you for the first math, that it is theta, it is also theta. So tan inverse x, this is tan inverse x, will be equal to this, sec inverse this, because their left hand sides are equal. I think you have got me.
Yes, sir.
Hello? Okay, that's good. Now we are getting here d by dx only root over 1 plus x square. Now you just, I mean, what should I tell you? Find the differentiation here. What is the formula? It is power half. Its power is what? Half. Half 1 plus x square half minus 1 into 2x. Have you got it or not?
Yes, sir.
Why it is 2x? It will be again differentiated. 1 is 0, x square is 2x, right? From now onwards, you all are required to do the math like this, because for the time being, your math will be so long. So you won't have time to show this line in 2 or 3 lines. You will not get so much time. Now you see 2 will be omitted. That's good. It is x. It will be power minus half. Minus half means
স্যার
what? Yes.
আমাদের হায়ার ম্যাথে আচ্ছা ম্যাথসে কয়